it's me, Miss Jennifer again, and today we're going to make a doctor's kit. Yes, I'm excited. The reason why we're doing this activity is for you to understand how vets, doctors and nurses are very important in helping our community. You'll be able to explore what are inside the doctor's kits. The materials that we need for this activity are the following. So of course we need, for recycling, we need an empty cereal box. So don't throw it away because you can use it to create an awesome artwork. And of course we need some paint and paint palettes and paint brushes and also child-friendly scissors, glue, some white paper and red paper, and color tapes, and you can choose any colors you like. And of course we need some contents for our doctor's bag. Okay, I don't have everything, but I have some, so I'm going to show it to you. So I have a tablet box for Panadol, and I got some cotton, I have some cotton pads and some sticks, got cotton swabs, you see, I got a tweezer, this one, and colorful bandages and a glove. All right, so are you ready? Let's start. Now we're going to cut it to make an opening. Okay, we can use our scissors, hold it this way like this. Okay, so you're going to cut using our scissors like this. And if you can't do it, you can always ask mommies and daddy's help. All right, okay, like this. Cut. So here you go, it's open. So now the next step is to cut the edges of our box. If you don't have empty cereal box, it's fine. You can use any kind of boxes. It's fine, or you can even use a brown paper bag. All done. It's the perfect shape, and you just have to close it this way. Next is to paint our bag. See, we need to cover the pictures. Let's start from the top and down. Now we're gonna put this one aside to dry. So we're gonna cut the red cross and this white circle. Okay, if you don't know how to cut it, you can always use a pencil, and you can draw a big circle like this. Big circle. We need to use our scissors to cut our circle. I have this one. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a cross, to a shape, and you tell me what shape is it. Okay, all right. I'm gonna cut this one, and it's a surprise. I'm gonna show you, and you tell me what shape is it. What shape is this? Yes, very good. It's a cross. Yeah, it's a cross. What shape is this? Very good. It is a circle. Now, what we're going to do with our circle and our cross, we can stick it together, and this is the red cross. Yeah, so we're gonna put it on the doctor's bag. So ready? So now it's time to stick our red cross on the white circle. There. Okay, now we're going to put this one on the side to dry. So our cardboard is dry, So what we're going to do, we're going to put the handle. So what you can do, you can just have to make a strips using the white paper. We're going to put some glue on both ends of our white paper. The handle of the bag. So now it's time to stick our red cross. So we're gonna stick it here like this. Okay, so we need to put some glue, of course. Now we're gonna stick our doctor's thing. So I'm gonna use the colored tape. So I want to use the purple one. So this is my doctor's bag. Would you like to see what's inside? Yes, let's have a look. Wow, look what's inside. I got a glove, I got cotton pads, I got some bandages, I get the tweezer, I get the tablet box, I get some sticks, and I got some cotton swabs. And you can add some more into your doctor's bag. You can add some stethoscope. It's up to you. And you can be a vet, or you can be a doctor, or you can be a nurse. All right? Okay, well done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you to our next video. Bye.